winter we had a lot of snow, a lot of cinders that got put in the yard all off the curb, and there's got to be an easier way. I've got a rake here, and I'm going to show you how terrible it is to try to rake some of this out with get some of this out with the rake. Now you can show the rake. You know, I can get, because there's a lot here, I can get like a good portion out, but quite honestly, take a look at this here. There's still a lot of stones left in this leaf blower. The leaf blower will get most of it out. If you look here, I've got most of it out, but I end up spraying a lot of it all over the place.
Way out there.
You know, I end up making more of a mess because as I spray, it comes out. There's one more thing that we're going to try, and this is something that everybody has in the house. And maybe not necessarily a Shop-Vac,
but normal house vacuum.
Even a house vacuum will work. This is a big Shop-Vac, big Craftsman, but watch how easy it is. I mean, look at this here. Like this is like picked clean. You know, there's maybe one or two here, but that took like no effort. And I have an extension, so I wouldn't even have to bend over. But if you think about like the rake,
and he has two extensions, like you
know,
can get it real long.
Yeah, I have another one, so I don't even have to bend over.
You want to attach that?
If I do this,
you don't. Oh wait.
Let's. Oh.
Pinch yourself?
Balls. Yeah, I pinch myself. Look at all the stones.
Just get it closer.
Yeah.
That's a full.
Look at all those stones.
Ashes.
Problem is that you have cinders in your lawn from all winter long of having snow and cinders getting thrown in the road. They're all here. If you don't get them up in a timely fashion, it's going to be hard to get them out, whether you're raking, leaf blowing, or using a leaf blower, or even a vacuum. So you need to get these out now. Raking is hard work. We already talked about that. Using a rake on this would take forever, and you'd be super tired by the time you're done. You can use a leaf blower, whether it's handheld or backpack. It will work. It will take less time in a rake, and you know, you'll get most of the area out. The secret weapon to getting these cinders out for good, regardless of the type of grass you have, the vacuum. Tried and true. Even if you have long grass cinder in there, you can set it down vertically and suck them right up. Once you get all these cinders out of your lawn, you might find some bare spots. So click on the link in the description below to the video that I have for how to fix bare spots in your lawn. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.